unboxing, unbagging, shall I say. See, we got how to wait all of these before Christmas. So let's see. This is active one. These I think are the running bottoms I got. Oh wow. Oh wow. These are great. Looks like moisture wicking and very elastic. A lot of elasticity to them. So yeah, they look great. They're gonna be good. That's exciting. Alright, they look really nice. Nice zip pockets. Love that. Love the zip pocket. Need it. Everything falls out of my pockets from the gym. Phone or my keys or whatever. So this is like this is like the charcoal gray pair. Got those. Let's see what we got. We got another pair. These ones are black. Just black. So we got Ron on the side. So I'll be running in these. Cuff bottom on these. So yeah, they look great. They're gonna do exactly what I need them to do. Again, zip pockets, very important, very, very important. Right? So that's them. So there's the joggers. These are definitely thinner than the other ones. The other ones are quite thick. Right? So now we got. This is the compression top. So it's going to be the compression top. The AO right there. Yeah. Yeah, so that's a compression top. I'll have to try that out. Very nice. Very standard compression top there. Very, very good. This looks like we've got. This is a t-shirt. This is like a muscle fit t-shirt. So this is a black muscle fit t-shirt with the AO in the middle. Again, stretchy, so it has a little bit of give to it. Moves around with you. And this one, I'm excited to see this one because I really like the color. It's gonna be a little bit of color pop for me. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Boxy and blue. Again with the AO. Yeah, it looks good. It's big. I think it's an oversized. It looks oversized to me, just by holding it up. So it'd be interesting to see what it looks like while it's on. But yeah, that's it. Comes in these little cool sleeves. So yeah, Active One wear. Check them out.
Discard! Discard! Discard!